Hello, U.S. history. It's good to see you guys again today. I hope you've had a good start to your day so far, and I hope that your day only gets better from here. All right. Today, we're going to continue learning about how things got bad for the slaves and how things become worse for the slaves. Okay? And we're going to do so using the same video that we were watching yesterday. All right? But first, a few housekeeping things to take care of. Today is September 1st. So happy September. September is a big month in school. It is our first full month together. And I am super excited to spend the rest of the month with all of you. Our daily objective is I can evaluate how slavery got worse in the British colonies by writing an argumentative paragraph. Okay? The need to know questions that will be answered today. When did African slaves arrive? Who are the African slaves? And how did the Africans communicate with the English? Right? For boy band today, we're gonna talk a little bit more about our experiences with distance learning so far. So you will share what is one thing that you have been struggling with in distance learning so far, and what is one thing that has helped you be successful in distance learning so far. Now, I want this to be a conversation. If someone shares something and you have some tips on how to help them with what they're struggling, please share them. If you think that someone has a particularly useful tip on how to be successful, let them know and tell them thank you for sharing that. So, Teacher Poe will now pause this message and you all will have your conversation. All right, so we are going to be doing two things for the rest of the day. Number one is going to be you're going to finish the video that we started yesterday. Okay? And the second that we're going to do is you're going to write a paragraph. The paragraph is going to be answering the question, how did slavery get worse in the British colonies from the 1600s to the 1700s? Make sure to include these following things in the rest of your paragraph. A thesis sentence, a description of what slavery was like in the beginning of the colonies, using at least one concrete example. And then I want you to describe how slavery and blackness changed over time, using at least two concrete examples that you come away from the video, okay? This paragraph is meant to explore a little bit of understanding that things are about to get a lot worse for the Africans in the British colonies before they ever get better, okay? And that is an important part of American history to understand. So again, this slavery part, is going to apply to what we do for the entire rest of the class. It all starts here. So this understanding is a very important understanding to come away with. All right? So, whatever you don't finish in terms of your paragraph, you will have for homework to do tonight. I'm hoping you'll have enough time to finish it in class today, and I'm excited to read all of your responses. So, thank you all so much for being here today. Thank you so much for doing your best, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.